If you're looking into buying one of the new mattresses in a box, keep watching this video and I'm going to show you some major reasons why you want to avoid them. Any mattress manufactured in the United States or for use in the United States must be flame retardant. Now, a lot of manufacturers will spray special chemicals on mattresses to make them flame retardant. Problem with that is you inhale that toxic chemical throughout the time you're sleeping on the mattress. Now, these foam mattresses that come in a box, those chemicals are kind of expensive. So what they've done is the covers that hold these foam mattresses together have an inside layer of fiberglass. That's what makes these mattresses flame retardant. What's the problem with that? Now I'll show you the tag on this mattress here in a minute to show you the glass fiber that's in it. What's happening in the United States is a lot of people are buying these for kids because they're a very cheap bed for a kid, like in this twin or a twin XL size or a full size. You can get these off Amazon for around $200 and they're fairly comfortable. The problem is after a few years, the fiberglass inside this breaks down and starts to work its way through the cover. So if your kids start complaining about itchy skin or they develop a rash, then this cover has broken down and the fiberglass shards are starting to poke through. Another big problem, people don't read the tag, which is what I'm going to show you. There are warning tags on every one of these mattresses that says, do not take this cover off. They don't say why, it just says warning, do not take it off. What's happening is, kids playing around, you got the puppy up on the bed, and puppy urinates on the bed. Mom says, oh, I'll just unzip this cover, throw it in the washing machine. You've just exposed all the fiberglass shards to become airborne, and you've just ruined your washing machine. So all that fiberglass is going to get in your washing machine. You're never going to get it out. You may wash a few loads of laundry, and all of them clothes are going to have to be thrown out. You absolutely cannot remove this cover. It is a zippered on cover. You can easily remove it, but do not. You're going to expose yourself to fiberglass shards. I have measured some of the fiberglass shards in these types of mattresses up to a ½ inch long or about the width of your fingernail. So let's take a look at that tag. Here's the warning. Under the wash and care, do not remove this cover. This cover should be spot cleaned only, using mild detergent and cold water only. So it says do not remove the cover, it just doesn't say why. So if we look right here, inner cover, 51% glass fiber. That is your fiberglass shards. Now you can go on Amazon and read reviews for yourself. There's a couple of foam mattresses that are right around 34,000 reviews, and lots of them will complain of itchy skin, rashes. They've removed the cover. They did not see the warning. They had to throw away all their clothes because they washed this and then they washed their clothes. Now once you take this cover off, like I said, you're going to expose yourself to all the fiberglass. It's going to get airborne. If your furnace or AC unit is running, it's going to suck into that and be distributed throughout your home. You can also Google foam mattress lawsuits, and you can read all about people who have filed lawsuits against these foam mattress companies. Hope this video helps you avoid these mattresses, and thanks for watching.